We all create PowerPoint presentations on daily basis, and this is part of our job. But do you know you can create PowerPoint presentations for free using ChatGPT? In this video, I'll show you free options. So using free version of ChatGPT, you will be able to create PowerPoint presentations. So let me show you how. There are three parts in this particular video. Using ChatGPT will create the content, because whenever you are creating a PowerPoint presentation, you need to know what will be the content. If you have the content, that's fine. But if you also want to generate the content, maybe you have 1 or 2 slides, you want to expand it to 7 or 8 slides or 10 slides. So you will be able to utilize this particular method to generate that content, and then you will be able to create the PowerPoint. So let me show you how can you generate the content. If you follow my mouse, if you go to a new browser, and there you just type chat.openai.com, it will open ChatGPT console. Let me do one thing. Currently I have a paid plan, but I am selecting this ChatGPT 3.5 because that's the free plan available. Whenever you will log in with your ID, you will be able to access this particular prompt. Now, if you want to know how to use ChatGPT, how to log in, I have another video where covering that how to use ChatGPT that you can refer. I will add the link in the description below and also in the above card. So now let me come back to this particular console. So this is free version of ChatGPT, and let me execute a prompt. Create a content covering evolution and progress of artificial intelligence. And you can see there's a spelling mistake, but still we can go ahead because it will understand that there's a mistake. And if I send the message, so what it will do, it will generate that particular content. You can see that currently it's generating, and it gave me some 8-pager. I can ask for more details. So what I've done, I mentioned that I'm looking for 10 slides. You need to have the content for 10 slides. Please mention slide numbers in the respective headings and add bullet points under each headings. So let's see how it comes up. So you can see now it's regenerating that slide 1, slide 2, that slide 1 introduction. These are the 3 items. Slide 2, there are another 3 bullet points. Now, one thing is that in one slide, only 3 bullet points will not look good. So we may ask for a single sentence against each of the bullet points. So let me revise that particular prompt and ask again. Now I'm asking the same thing. Please add 1-line description against each of bullet points. Remaining details are good. And let's see how it comes up with. Now you can see it's generating that yes, slide 1, that's introduction. Now earlier only this bullet point was there. Now it added some text also by describing that thing. So now we have the content. If you see that now we have 10 slides and we have required contents. Now the next step, let me do one thing. First of all, let me copy from slide 1 to slide 10. Let me open a new tab, and what I'll do, I'll open Microsoft Office web version. So, and this is for free and you can use, and let me show you how can you use it. So let me open this particular website, that office.com/apps. I'll add this particular link also in the description below so that you will be able to just directly click from there. And once I'll do that, I already have one account there, that is for the Microsoft account. If you don't have, you just need to create a new account, that's it, and then you will be able to log in. And this is very easy. Let me show you how you do that. If I log out from here, and then it will show you that you need to create one account if you don't already have one Microsoft account, or else you can check with your existing Microsoft account also. So let me come back, and in this app, if I click on now Microsoft Word, and I'll click on that, and I'll click on a new blank document. So what I'll do, this blank document, I'll paste my content, whatever ChatGPT generated. This is the new page. It's a blank document. Let me go back to ChatGPT and copy that content another time, and I'll just paste it here directly. Now you can see it already pasted. Only thing is that it pasted in white color. Let me select everything and change the color to black. Now you can see this entire data have been copied here, and we have the full data available. Now let me change this particular file name, Evolution of AI, and if I save it, so then this particular file will get saved. Now I have the data ready, which was generated by free ChatGPT, and using the free version of Microsoft Office, the online version, I now created one Word file and I have the data. Now if you go to File and then go to export, you will be getting one option, export to PowerPoint presentation, and it's on preview. It can be in preview, but it generates a very good presentations. So if I click on that, what it will do, it will try to export. Now it will give you certain options. It already picked up certain themes from automatically based on your content. You can also click on this particular button to see more themes, and it will suggest you few more options. All these options are available here. If I click this particular option and click on export, now it will prepare. You can see it's creating my slides, and it will generate and show you certain options. Your presentation is ready. Now open presentation. So let me see that how it looks like. You can see it's opening, and now it already generated my slide pack. You can see it also added certain pictures based on the content. Now if you want to change any of the design, maybe you are not happy with this design, then the right side designer, you will be able to see different other options. You can change it. Even if you are not able to see this particular designer option, you can go here and invoke the designer in case you are not getting it by default, and you can now edit. It's an editable file. Whatever changes are required, you can make it. At least whenever you are creating a new PPT, you don't need to start it from a very blank white slide, right? You have something to work on. You can fine tune it further as per your need. And once this is done, you will be able to save it as PPT file, and which can be opened using your desktop version of PowerPoint. Now let me show you. If I go to save as, then you will be able to save, download a copy. You will be also able to export it as a PDF. If I click on this download a copy, and now it's been downloaded. If I just double click, it will open in my PowerPoint desktop app, and there we'll be able to edit this particular PowerPoint further. So this is the way you will be able to generate a PowerPoint presentation for free. We only used free version of ChatGPT, and we also use free version of Microsoft Office. You don't need to pay a single penny, and but you will be able to utilize, and you will be able to generate your presentations, and those stunting presentations is just a click away, right? So you can make record changes, and you can start working on it. So hope you like this particular video. If you want to learn that how to generate multiple slides using ChatGPT and Canva, then check this particular video where I talked about another way of generating PowerPoint presentations, and that will also be a free option. So hope you enjoyed this particular video. We'll see you in the next one.